Hi friends, my name is Usha Srivastava, and today I am here to give a big clap to my friends who have really helped me in my social media marketing. And these are people from Business Utopia, Alok ji and Agil. Uh, I just want to thank you. You have taken such a big uh, burden off my shoulders by taking care of the social media and webinar and all these activities from me and doing such a great job. What I love about your team, Alok ji and Agil, is that you guys don't make me feel that you are a third party company and you're working on my project. I get a sense that you're part of my team and you are thinking as I would think as a business owner, and you think and you come up with those kind of solutions, and that makes my life so easy. You guys are professional, you guys are so punctual about timings and your deliverables, and you are going beyond the scope of work that we had discussed, and you are delivering results to me beyond scope of work. Only a person who is invested into the client's business will do that, and you guys are doing it. So I'm so thankful to you. And anyone who is watching this video, if you want any of your digital requirements to be taken care of, Business Utopia is the place to go. They are friends, they are professionals, and they will make sure that they give you the right guidance so that your project flies off very well and you get the results. So thank you so much and congratulations, Business Utopia team. Have a great time. God bless you.